Hey y'all, good morning. It's Monday and it's the snow blizzard, whatever the heck they're calling this thing here. It's just Mother Nature doing her thing. She's taking a dump. It's white. Let's see. I'm leaving my apartment building now because I wanted to see what this is all about. You know, I wanted to get it before it gets cleared up. Oh Lord, look at this. Look at the steps. Ciao. Oh Lord, let's go outside, let's see. Oh Lord, look. She ain't playing, honey. Look at my street, y'all. Look at the snow. I think it's so pretty. People talk so much shit about the snow and it's like, oh, it's so snowing and oh, the kids are gonna have a good time today. Off from school. Deserve a good snow day. Let's take a look. Let's get out. Let's get out here. Let's try to open this gate. Hope mama don't slip and fall, honey. Trying to be tricky out here today, girl. Look at this. Look at her. Look how she's snowing. Let's get to 9th Avenue over here. Wow, this is a lot of snow. This is no jokey. Mira. New York City. Mira cómo están las cosas aquí. Shit, it ain't the end of the world. It's just a blizzard. It's a lot of snow. Gosh, this time of day in the morning here with the hospital right down the street here. Oh my God, so many people and traffic. Let's take a look at the street. I remember when I first moved here, it was during COVID and it was quiet. Nobody was around. Look at the Ave. Yes, y'all. It's a lot of snow. Be careful. Don't drown.
That's what these boots are for.
That's good. I should get boots like that. Girl, look at. Let's see. See that? That's deep. It's like walking across the river. It's like oh, there goes the snow plows. There they go. Hey! There she goes. It's nice out. I hope, like I said, the kids enjoyed this day off. They needed a day off, honey. Especially this is a good one. This is a good one. Because the temperature's not going to be so bad while all this is going on. So, yeah. I'm going to start heading back. Come on, let's go. Yes, honey. It's a snow blizzard. Girl. Look. Weather like this makes me want to have pancakes. Pancakes and sausage, a lot of butter, a lot of sugar-free syrup. Yeah, I can't have a lot of artificial sweeteners. Actually, none, except for stevia. But I ordered this pancake syrup that has Allulose. It's a sweetener that's supposed to be very, very good for you. You know, erythritol and all that crap, it's very bad for the brain, y'all. You know, Soraya's brain is already screwed up. From all the sugar I used to eat and saccharin and artificial sweeteners. So how did I go from the snowstorm to artificial sweeteners? Oh, because weather like this, I want to eat pancakes. And there's no pancakes to eat because I don't have the right syrup. I ordered it and it hasn't delivered yet. So let me be courteous and just step to the side. It looked like that guy was going to work. Where is he going? Yeah, honey. It is 9:30 a.m. and it's this quiet in New York City, honey. All right, y'all. Look at this. I'm gonna head back upstairs. Y'all have a good day now. Take care. Stay warm. Chance mama loves you. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.